Welcome to this guided meditation on mindfulness and sound. Today we'll practice being more aware of sounds and using them in our mindfulness practice. Start in a comfortable position, sitting upright in a chair or on a cushion. Rest your hands in your lap or on your thighs. Taking a deep breath in now and releasing your breath. Take another deep breath in, and as you release it this time, allow your eyes to close. Allow the breath to settle into a natural rhythm, letting it flow in and out in its own way. Following the breath instead of trying to control it in any way. Observing the breath from the start of each inhalation all the way through to the end of exhalation. And observing the transition between the in-breath to the out-breath, and the out-breath to the in-breath. Getting a sense of how your breathing feels now. Observe where you feel the process of breathing most strongly in the body. It may be in the movement of the chest or the abdomen. It may be in the flow of air in the nostrils and on the upper lip. Wherever you feel the breath most strongly, continue to anchor your attention here while observing the natural flow of the breath in and out. From time to time, the attention will wander and become distracted. This is a normal part of meditation practice. The point where we recognize distraction, note it, and come back to the breath is what builds our awareness, focus, and mindfulness over time. Gently bring your attention back to the breath where you feel it most strongly and continue to observe the breath. Now shifting the attention to the sounds around you. Just being open to all sounds and allowing them to come into your awareness without going searching for them. Notice the sounds that are quiet, unclear, and far away. Notice sounds that are near, loud, and clear. If you don't hear any obvious sounds, be aware of the absence of them. When you notice sounds, try to avoid labeling them and attaching some kind of story to them. Just be aware of them and observe them without judgment, and be aware as they come and go. Be aware of sounds without judging them as good or bad, annoying or pleasant. Allowing them to come and go without trying to control them. Knowing that, like thoughts and feelings, these sounds are impermanent and will pass. And now bring the attention back to the body, briefly scanning the body from head to toe and getting an idea of how you feel now, in this moment. Observing sounds without judgment in this way builds our ability to observe what happens in our day with mindful awareness. Instead of reacting automatically to daily events, we can pause and choose to become involved or not, knowing that like the sounds we hear, they will come and go. We become less judgmental and more open during our day. As always, what we do in our practice leaves residue throughout the rest of our day. And now, just slowly bringing your attention back to the room and back to the space around you. Bring in some movement, slowly back into your hands and feet, and slowly opening your eyes. See if during your day today you can be more aware of sounds and observe them without judgment, and exercise your mindfulness muscle. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.